What's up, guys? It's Pete back here, and it's been one day since I played Asphalt. Okay, so let me just say that in the Ford GT Grand Prix, I placed 5th, but I didn't get the key. So I actually didn't want to put up a video just showing that I didn't get the key. Okay, so that would be a bit embarrassing. So, anyways, so as today is Asphalt's second anniversary, so we have some new bundles, a new multiplayer, and new daily event, and I think most probably a new car hunt too of the Mazda Furai. So I've got a lot of things to show you. So first, let me see. Okay, so we still have a Ford GT Mark II pack if anyone would like to, and we have summer pack. Okay, so that's something new, and we have the Mazda Furai, as I said before. So yeah. Okay, so let's go and check them out. Let's go and check them out. So I don't know what the summer pack is since there's no summer event yet. So first, let me start with these two. So we have the car hunt of the Mazda Furai, and we have the Asphalt and Legends anniversary too. Let me begin with the anniversary first. Okay, so we don't solo rewards aren't that very good, but we have a lot of club rewards. So the solo rewards for this event aren't very good. So you know what? Let me just show you guys one by one. Okay, so I'm gonna do all these one by one using the 4 cars shown here: Chevrolet Camaro, Dodge Challenger SRT8, Chevrolet Camaro, and then the exotic rides. So without further ado, let's go. So we have 4 cars. I'm gonna perform on this event 4 times. Oh, so this is the first time. I think this is the first time that there's slipstream in a daily event. I think this is the first time that we've seen this thing. So I think that will actually be good. So let's go. So Asphalt 9 Legends Anniversary 2, and this is a slipstream event of all things. So this is very interesting. So let's just see what Asphalt has planned. Again, I'm saying this is the first time a slipstream daily event is occurring, most probably according to my memory. So anyways, okay, my job here is just to win. It's not anything of a time trial or anything. So our job is just to win, and club rewards will be if people beat the event in these cars, which obviously many people will do. So anyways, let's go. Okay. So actually, I was supposed to show you guys an underground video yesterday, but the audio got messed up of that video, so I could not exactly publish it. So I'll tell you in a nutshell. So in underground, what happened was we beat Kurt. Okay, and I think that was it. Yeah, and I think we unlocked roof scoops. Yeah, we unlocked roof scoops and we beat Kurt. That was the. Oh yeah, and we got the second set of performance upgrades, which is we got the Pro Performance engines and drivetrain and tires. Okay, so that's actually transmission, but in underground it's not called transmission, it's called drivetrain. So drivetrain, yeah. Okay, so these AIs are just trying to mess me up since they really can't win. Okay, nice beat. Oh, and by the way, like someone commented on my last video that I was using a bit of sad music, so I hope you guys like this one. Yeah. Actually, in behalf of this, I just have to say that life is made up of both happiness and sadness. Okay, and like in many of my videos, I've always put happy songs. Okay, so I think it's actually advisable that I put some sad songs. I mean, everyone should be given a chance, right? So, anyways. So we won with the Chevrolet Camaro LT, but actually this event will be very useful to the beginners. Okay, as for beginners or rookie players, I think this is very useful for them. But for people like us who have played Asphalt for a long time, I think this is best for only getting the trade points. So now let's go with the SRT8. Okay, so now SRT8 is up. Yep, SRT8 is up now. Okay, so this is going to be with the SRT 8. So let's go. Honestly, I think I'll show you guys this one with with only these two cars only. I think, yeah, because next up I have to show you guys the Hyundai Car Hunt 2. So this is not going to be a daily event rundown. Okay, so this is not a daily event rundown. Again, I'm saying because like in rundowns I need some good events. Okay, I'm not saying that these are bad events. Obviously, the Hyundai Car Hunt is very useful. As I said before in my earlier videos also, I need only one more epic import part to make it yellow. So yeah, that's really gonna be useful for me. Okay. Job is just to win here, guys. So just focus and win. It's not, there's no pressure of doing any times or anything like that. Okay. So yeah. Anyways. Okay. So I'm turning it here. Oh, come on, man, get the hell out of my face. Come on, get out of my face. Ooh. Exotic rides, where do you think you are going? Like, who makes them? Like, that's a weird color there, dude. That's a weird color there, dude. You might wanna consider a new paint job. Whoa. Stop waving away, huh? I don't think so. I don't think so, man. I don't think so, man. Let's just go here. Like, actually there's nothing more to worry about because with the two slowest cars, I mean by rank, if they can do it, I mean practically any one car can actually. Any car can. Okay, let me just close down the slipstream. My slipstream, that is. Okay, and we're winning. So I think that pretty much will help you guys in this event. So I'm not doing it anymore. Same thing will happen if you do it with the other two cars, the other Camaro and the other, and the exotic rides. Yeah. So I'm not showing that to you guys anymore. So yeah, and we got some trade coins here, 200 trade coins. So this event, the pro players can earn a lot of trade coins, and the new players can get a lot of these cars blueprints. And also, if club members do it, there's some good credits here. How many credits? Oh yeah, 50,000 credits. So that's pretty much a high amount of credits. So that will help any and everyone. So we have the Car Hunt Riot 2 here. So I'm gonna feature that in a different video, the Car Hunt Riot. So let me see. You know what? No, let me show you guys this one. Okay, we'll do a daily event rundown later. So Honda Civic Type R and TVR Griffith. Now I have only 1-star Honda Civic Type R. I don't think that will be very much good for this one, but I do have a good TVR Griffith. So let me just upgrade it. Okay. Is everything on stage 7? No. Okay. So let me just upgrade these two parts. Yep. Let me just upgrade these two parts, and let's go. So how much time do I have to beat? I don't remember, but anyways, we'll just wing it. So this is time travel. This is gonna be in US Midwest. Okay. So mainly I don't need the blueprints for the car. Okay. Mainly I don't need the blueprints of the car. The only one thing which I do need is the epic import part. Like I said, that's more important to me. The Hyundai's epic import part. I just need only one more to yellow it out. Okay. So this track is going to be a short, which is actually very good. Whoa! Don't crash! Don't crash! There was a high priority of braking there. Okay. It's best. The only problem with the Griffith is it doesn't give me any nitrous. Can you speed up, Griffith? Okay, so far so good. Whoa, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay, so did we beat the time? Finish race, beat 45, beat 47. No, we didn't. Oh, we have to beat 44 seconds. I don't think I can manage that. But let's go again on this one. Let's go another one. Let's go another one on this one. Okay, so I got Food Eye blueprints and I got 2 Food Eye blueprints and 2000 credits. Okay, so let's try it again with the Griffith. And this will be my last try on this one. After this, multiplayer. After this, we're going to multiplayer. So this is US Midwest, and it's very lucky that this one is a short track actually. So anyways, so 3, 2, 1, and let's go. And let's go. Okay. It's always safe on these parts to ride on the rails, okay? Like, don't ride on the sand, ride on the rails. You'll maintain the speed better. Maybe a little bit of drifting here because without any nitrous, I mean, it's just slowing us down. No, don't crash, don't crash. Okay, whoa! 36, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Okay, we beat 44 seconds. Beat 44 seconds. That's good. I don't know whether the Civic Type R can do it. I'm not gonna try. I'm not very tempted because it's a 1-star Civic. I just have a 1-star Civic. I'm not very tempted to do this one with that. Okay. So anyways, now for the real thing, which is our multiplayer. So that's the real thing now. So we have a new multiplayer in Asphalt for this one. And by the way, for your information guys, I finished the BXR multiplayer. Okay, so there I placed in the top 3000 and I got AMG Mercedes tire, which obviously went in for trade coins. So now this is something new because as I mentioned in my previous update video that the Welcome to the Jungle was a different multiplayer. Okay, so that was a 1-month multiplayer. This is a I think 6 days multiplayer. Okay, so I think this something different is here. Let me check the milestones. Okay, so surprisingly this one has milestones very similar to that of the 1-month one, except that they are very score difference is very small as it happens. Okay, so what do we have? Okay, so I think that do we have access to everything? Okay, so we just have access to everything and everything here. Okay, so let me show you guys in the Corvette because I think that's the best thing for now. Okay, and this one is also Slipstream. So Slipstream is all over everything guys. Slipstream is in our 1-month multiplayer now. Slipstream is in this multiplayer now. And Slipstream is in a daily event now. So there's Slipstream just everywhere practically. Okay, so these are just novice opponents except maybe that Lamborghini and the oh, that's a Lycan. Okay, it's better not to underestimate anyone. Okay, so and we are going to Shanghai, Paris of the East. Okay, it's best not to underestimate anyone. So anyways, wait a second, Paris of the East? Isn't that like a... Wait a second. Let's just wait a second here. Are these by any chance daily event tracks? Oh man. Yes, I'm right. These tracks are featured in the daily car loots, guys. Oh my god. These tracks are gonna be short and immensely fast. Okay. Oh my god. I did just realize that now. That our first track was Shanghai daily car loot track. I don't know what's gonna happen now. I'm totally uncertain now. Okay, so welcome to the Novice League. You know what? I might as well just. Okay, so we got the first milestone in one shot only. I had no idea that this was happening, guys. I swear on it. Everything I hold dear. I swear you guys, I did not know this. So I guess that's the jungle part. That these tracks are going to be daily Kalu tracks, which also says that they're going to be very short and very fast. Okay, let's see where we go next. It's a twister. Wait, just a second. So career tracks are also featured in this one, because It's a Twister is actually a career track as much as I can remember, yeah. So wait, where are the opponents? Okay, I could not see them for some reason. Whatever. As long as I don't have a poor connection, I'm good. Okay. Just get out. Just get out, man. Whoa! Whoa. What the hell just happened? Okay, I'm telling you. I took a very high value there. Not very advisable! Now, is it? Let's just go. The Corvette is actually dominating. Whoa. Dodge. Oh man, that was close. That was very, very close. That was too close for comfort. Okay. So overall, I would say this Welcome to the Jungle features tracks which are very short and very fast. These can be anything ranging from career tracks to your daily car loot tracks. Anything. These won't be long. Like in the classic multiplayer, what happens? They give you long tracks, okay. So long tracks aren't going to be featured here. They're going to be short tracks and very fast. And even with the addition of Slipstream, you guys will have to be very careful in your handling and speed. Because if you mistake even one part, you're just gone. You're just gone in that second itself. Okay, so same track again. But this time we have some competition here. FXXK, Pagani, another FXXK. We have a Corvette, we have a Lycan, and we have a Chevy. Okay. Although the Corvette is also a Chevy, but whatever. Anyways, let's go. Let's go. Whoa. I'm not getting left behind, guys. Come on. What the hell? How the hell did that happen? I mean, my speed wasn't that high. Come on. Okay. After winning 2 races, I have to come in last. Come on. That's not acceptable at all. So definitely I'm not coming in last. No way. Even if I don't get a podium finish, at least 4th. Okay, so this one is 4th. Not very good, but anyways, that'll do. Not very good, but it'll do for the time being. So anyways, last race on this multiplayer.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so this is our last race in this new multiplayer, and the Corvette has to go for refueling now, and I'm still in, obviously. So far 2 races first, 1 race third, 1 race fourth. Sorry. Okay, Cairo King's Revival. We have had King's Revival in the daily car loot. If you guys remember, we have it in the daily car loot. So you have S-class cars here mostly, and a Corvette and another Lamborghini, which is not S-class. Okay, let's go. Last race. What the hell? Like why? Whoa! There's also. I want to talk about this new knockdown system. It seems like cars become very sensitive at the beginning of the race. Obviously, that was depicted in the update that they would have a totally new knockdown system. But this is just crazy as hell, man. Like in the start of the race, you need to be very careful.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so this is third. So two races first, 1 race third, and 1 race fourth. I wouldn't say that's bad for a start in the new multiplayer. So anyways, guys, that's it for the new update of the Ashford. Oh, I made it to Rookie League. That's promising. Okay, so that's, I guess, let me check the rewards. What are the rewards? So, rank rewards, please. Top 3000, top 2. Oh, we have a top 2000 rank. Top 2000 rank reward. That's good. we have a top 2000 rank reward. That's actually very good. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is on the new update, second anniversary update of the Ashford 9. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And until then, all Ashford players, stay safe and keep slipstreaming. Yeah. For now, it's speed out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and keep slipstreaming. Okay? See ya, Ashford guys.